everybody. It is So Fresh Tuesday, and nothing says we're over Easter and Easter's in the past to getting Halloween fabric, right? So we got a whole bunch of Halloween fabric. So I'm going to show you 3 lines here. We're going to start with the QT Fabric Steampunk. We love steampunk here at Fabric Bash, so I think it is just so much fun. So the first thing I really want to show is we have this beautiful, not beautiful, it's super fun panel that makes pin cushions. So look at that. Isn't that kind of fun? Look at that fun little pin cushion right there. And gonna hold it up here. Look at that guy right there. He's so fun, and he's holding, oh, I think these would make great gifts for your perfect steampunk fan. That would be awesome for Halloween. So this here is $14.96, and it is called Steampunk Halloween 3 Sew and Go Character Panel. So there's that one right there. So that's the beginning of the line. Let's go through and show you the panel, and then I'll show you all of the fabric lines that we have with this as well. So again, I think I'm going to fall in love with this panel. We do have a kit for it as well. So right here we have the panel. It is going to be $9.99. It is 24 by 42. And if we get in close here, there's my little character there. There's your moon. There's Mr. Pumpkin. And this kind of reminds me of, back down here, the oh my goodness, it reminds me of my, the Addams Family, right? There's a character, and he never talked, and he spoke in little funny things. So you have to remember and tell me what that is in the comments below. But this is a great panel that's gonna be part of the kit as well. So let me show you the panel, or the kit. This here measures 54 by 73, 54 by 73. And right here is going to be that kit right there. So basically, it's just going to be a really easy kit to put together. We have a couple squares right here that we're going to piece. You're going to piece these squares right here, the cornerstones. This is going to be a border, and then we have a border. So that is, again, with this panel. So this kit here is $119.99, and it is going to be fabulous. So let's look at the fabrics that are inside this wonderful kit a little up close. So we have the tossed characters, which I think is wonderful on yellow, nice and bright. And then we have, you can have the tossed characters on orange. And I'm going to pull the tossed characters on black. And then, yeah, border, tossed characters on white. Aren't those fun? All right. And then, of course, you cannot say enough about the border here. I absolutely love this border print here. So right here, if we get close. So you have a repeat of 4. So here's 2 on this side, and there's 2 on the other side. So you have a repeat of 4, and it also says here, Steampunk Halloween 3 at the top, as you can see. So super fabulous. I'm going to put this over here. We're going to move on to some of the other fabrics here. This is going to be pumpkins. Look at how fun that is. And then I'm going to move on to the gears. So again, we have all of the gears. So if we look at the gears right here in purple, we have them in green and orange and that gold color, and then we're going to end in black. We have a couple of polka dot prints here that I'm going to pull out. These are fabulous. So you have your white polka dots. We have your black and white polka dots. And most of all, you have your purple polka dots. Aren't those wonderful? And last but not least, these two fabrics are the perfect fabrics to make, all kinds of fun striped binding, all kinds of great stuff that way. So that one is super bright. I love that it's on black. And here's the same print right here on white. So there. That is our steampunk QT fabrics. And how much is that per yard? It is $14.96 per yard. The kit is $119.99, and the panels are $14.96 for the pin cushions and $9.99 for the panel itself. So check that out. We'll have a link below. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this with everybody because this is some great Halloween fabric.